Hello, dear friends. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I have some important information to share with you regarding a new application launched by the Ministry of Interior called the Kuwait Visa application, available for both Android and iPhone devices, and this application can help protect you from visa scams and fraud. Also, this application is designed to be the only way to verify the status of expatriates' visas before entering the country. Sadly, many people have fallen victim to individuals who send fake visas. But by installing this application, we can contribute to reducing manipulation and fraud. Once you've installed the application, you'll find two options to verify whether your visa is genuine or fake. The first option is Visa Inquiries. Simply click the button and enter your visa information, including the visa number, MOI reference mentioned in the visa, and passport number. Then press Inquiry, and you'll receive your visa. The second option is to verify your visa through a QR code. Just scan your visa's QR code using the application, and you'll instantly see all your visa information. If you don't see any information, it means your visa is fake. I hope this information proves useful to you. By using the Kuwait Visa application, we can ensure that our visas are correct and not fake, protecting ourselves from scams and fraudulent activities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others to help them confirm the authenticity of their visas. Take care, and until next time.